So today's verb is the verb dekiru. Dekiru. So we have a kanji for it, but usually we use it in hiragana. Okay, dekiru, and we're gonna be changing the ru. So it's a regular verb, so it's very simple. You just change ru for masu, nai, and te. Okay, and the meaning is to be able to or to be capable of. It's a verb actually that we use a lot in Japanese. Okay, so let's have a look. So the jishoke, the dictionary form is dekiru. So let's say shigoto dekiru hito. Shigoto dekiru hito ですね. So this is someone, a person that is capable of working, okay, that can work. The translation would be a person that can work. But what we want to say here, when we say shigoto dekiru hito, this referring to someone, we are actually saying that it's someone with skills, it's someone that knows what they're doing, you know, is someone that it has the skills, it has the strengths to do something. So this is like something, is a compliment, you know. Shigoto dekiru hito desu ne, when you say that about someone. So it's a nice way of like making a compliment to someone. Okay, now the masuke is dekimasu. So let's say hitori de dekimasu. Hitori de dekimasu. So means I can do it by myself. Na hitori de is the same thing as we saw on the last verb jibun de. Is jibun de, I guess the nuance, like the difference is that jibun de is by yourself, while the hitori de is more like physically, you know, like with one person's strengths, you know, you have this kind of tiny nuance over there, but basically you're saying the same thing, like you can do it by yourself, you don't need somebody else's like help. Okay, now the naike, the negative form, it's dekinai, and for example, mo dekinai, mo dekinai, mo dekimasen, if you want to make it polite, which means, oh, I can't do this anymore, I can't do this anymore, I'm done. Okay, when we're like kind of, you can say that's mo dekinai, dekimasen. And the last one, guys, the teke is dekite. Okay, dekite. And for example, zenbu dekite kara kaerimasu. Zenbu dekite kara kaerimasu. Kaerimasu is kaeru, to go home, ne? And kara is after, ne? In this case, so I'm gonna go home after I finish, ne? I'm done with everything. Zenbu means everything. So zenbu dekiru is to be able to do everything. Now we don't really have to do here, but it has this meaning, dekiru, to be able to finish, to accomplish, to do whatever you need to do here. So when we say we have an action, a physical work or something, so we can see that happening, and then we can look at someone and just say dekiru, like meaning, can you do that, you know? So this is the meaning that we are talking about here. It's like zenbu dekite kara, ne? Like I'll go home only after I finish, I do everything that I'm supposed to do. Okay, which could be only like, office paperwork or whatever, but still dekiru means like I can do. Okay, and that's it, guys. I hope you understood the verb dekiru, and I'll see you on the next one. また次の動詞までですね。それではバイバイ。